Okay, apologies for the crappy presentation here, but it finally arrived. Well, not that it took that long to ship, but just, this is one of those things that kind of felt inevitable, but at the same time, you're like, is this actually ever gonna happen? Okay, here we go. Okay, great little letter from the CEO of YouTube. This was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. And here it is. Here it is, my friends. 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. I have never been interested in trophies. Could not care less. I'm like, but this actually means something to me. Wow. You know, also, this letter from the CEO is actually very nice. And it shares the feeling that I feel about it. For one, what you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. It's just like, no matter what else happens, at least we did it. We did it to this point, you know? We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share. And because you found an audience who cares. People actually care. It's like we found some connection. And then also, we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. That is, take a group of 100 people. Imagine how many people that is. And then multiply that by 1,000. I just said that in my head and I was like, dude, is that right? That is right. 100 people in a group and then take that multiplied by 1,000. That's not even fathomable. And we're at 120 something thousand now. So that's like a quarter plus. Thank you to everybody watching because you are the ones who literally made this happen. I mean, it was a team effort. But without you, this wouldn't happen. Without me, you know what I'm saying.